This test is on frac water. So I'm zeroing it the jar this way, putting 2 ounces of frac water, and then I'm going to add 2 ounces of 1:1 soft, meaning 1 part soft, 1 part water solution. Up to 2 ounces and no more. That is at 3 ounces. So this is equal amount of produced water and equal amount of soft 1:1 solution. And to see what will happen to the water, we will do this in intervals of 5 minutes. I'll take additional pictures at a 5-minute mark, 10-minute mark, and a 15-minute mark to see what happens to that water. On my previous test, which was not on video, the water solution came about to like this in an hour. So the goal is to see which solution will work. So the next test is going to be for 1:8 on a 2-ounce solution of frac water, 1:14 solution on the same 2 ounces of frac water, and 1:21 on the same 2 ounces of frac water. Right now, we are at a 2-minute mark, and we have this on the 1:1 product to water solution with 2 ounces of frac water. No agitation, nothing yet. Right now it's at 2 minutes and 30 seconds. I'll turn off this video at 3 minutes, and I will do this next test on the 1:8 the same way, and I'll record that video as well. And I'll continue on this one after we finish the next test, so this way we don't waste time. Now we're going to do the same test that we did on a 1:1 solution on the 1:8. Unfortunately, the measurement is about 0.1 ounce off, but I'm not going to worry about that right now. So I'm going to add exactly, as you can see, on the scale measurement as well as on the weight measurement. There you go, that's 4 ounces of total. So 2 ounces of frac water, 2 ounces of the 1:8 solution. That is this solution. Well, as you can see, that's happening. This was the 1:1 solution. We'll do the same thing. We'll wait for the 3-minute mark. So that way you can see better. I will do this. Hopefully that will help when it is on the clear side. I guess my reflection is not definitely helping it yet, but hopefully this will give you a quick idea of what's happening to the liquid. We are at 2-minute mark now. Now we are at 2 minutes and 30 seconds. Again, I'll shut this video at 3 minutes and I will continue with the 1 to 14 solution next. Okay, now we're going to do the 1 to 14 solution, and we're going to add the 1 to 14 diluted soft with water, and we're going to add 2 ounces to this. So right now it's 8.4 ounce. I'm going to make it to 10.4 ounce total on the weight measure because I don't have the measurement on. There you go, 10.4 ounce of the 1 to 14 solution this time. The 1 to 8 is on the other one. That's this one here. This was the 1 to 1 now. And this is the 1 to 14 solution. So as you can see, we haven't done 1 to 21 yet. We did the 1 to 1 and 1 to 8. But as you can imagine, 1 to 1 has been there since we did that for 3 minutes, another 3 minutes of 6 minutes, plus another 30 seconds in between. So you can say between 6.5 and 7 minutes already on this one. Actually 8 minutes because we are 1 minute and 17 seconds on this test right now. So on this one, I'm going to shut it at 2 minutes. So now you have an idea what I'm doing. And then I'll continue with the 1 to 21 solution next. Okay, now we're going to do the 1 to 21 solution. So I'm going to 0 this out. Come on. Okay, then I'm going to take the 1 to 21 bottle. Sorry, my thumbs got in the way. My apologies. And now I'm going to put 2 ounces of there you go, 2 ounces of that solution of 1 to 21. I'm going to move that to the side over there, and that's going to be our 1 to 21 jar, and this is what we are going to see on the 1 to 21. I will do the same thing. This one I'll just shut it in a little bit. I guess I'll wait for 2 minutes so this way you can get an idea of what's happening. So as you can see now, we have this 4 tests with equal amount of produced water on each one, just a different concentration of our soft product. So this one is 1 to 1, as you can see now. This is where we are at. This one is a 1 to 8 solution. This one is a 1 to 14 solution. And now we're going to put the 1 to 21 over here, and that will give us an idea of what concentrations / time it takes to clean up this particular produced water that came from the Permian Basin. So I'll shut this at 2 minutes again, and I will come back and redo the test. Okay, we started this test at 10:05 a.m. on July the 5th. Right now it's 10:20, so it's exactly 15 minutes for this. So let's take out 3.5 to 4 minutes for each one consecutively. And as you can see, this was the one-on-one solution. What happened to it in 15 minutes? This is 128. I'm guessing that will take, we are still at about, I think, 12 minutes on that one. So we're going to see at what solution, what results we get. I'm assuming all the results will be like this, but it will take time for it to get to this level based upon our concentrations that we have in place. So I'll come back again in 3 minutes one more time to check. Actually, I'll wait for 5 minutes, so this way we know where these other two are and how far this one have gone. Okay, the moment of truth is here. So now it's at 25 minutes and 1-to-1 solution effect, 1-to-8 solution effect, which is about 20 minutes, about 21 minutes for 1-to-14 solution effect, and about 16 minutes to 1-to-21 solution effect. So we're going to wait for additional 5 more minutes to come back for 1-to-8. I guess I'll wait for 8 minutes, 5 minutes for this one, 3 additional minutes for this guy. So this way we will know where we are headed when it comes to the effect of the product and how long it takes to do. Okay, it is 45 minutes since we started this first one. 41 minutes for this one. 36 minutes for this one. And 31 minutes for this one now. As you can tell, even at 1-to-21, it seems like we are providing a solution. Hopefully it'll get as clear as this, as 1-to-1 solution, but we will find out in a little bit further, see what it does to it. I'll come back again to it, but I just wanted to check this at this point. Very fascinating. I'm excited. Okay, it is 11:16 now, so it is. This one started at 10:05 and approximately now it is an hour for this guy. So as you can see, every single one is clear. This is of course a lot more clearer. So even at 1-to-21, this is the result that we can get from black frac water. Hopefully this answers most of you guys' questions. Now this is hour and 15 to 20 minutes for this 1-to-1 solution, 1-to-8 solution, 1-to-14 solution, and 1-to-21 solution, which is about an hour now. So to show you from the top how it looks like. Hopefully that will explain you the possibilities that we have now with our soft product in cleaning up frac water.